Dr. Rafaqat Kazmi. In this video, we will focus on literals. Let's get started. What are the literals? Literals are the raw data assigned to variables. In Python, there are 4 types of the literals: numeric, strings, boolean, and special literals. Whenever you assign a value to a variable, that value is called a literal. Numeric literals. Python has 3 numeric data types: integers, floats, and complex numbers. Let's explain them. Integer literals, like A assigns 100, it is a decimal literal. B assigns 0B1010, it is a binary literal with 10 in decimal. C assigns 0x64, it is hexadecimal literal, 100 in decimal. D assigns 00144, it is octal literal, 100 in decimal. Print A, B, C, D. The output is 100, 10, 100, 100. The output is always into the decimal form with the simple print statement. Float literals. F1 assigns 10.5, it is a decimal float. F2 assigns 1.5 e raised to power 2. It is a scientific notation 1.5 10 raised to power 2. F3 assigns 1.5 e raised to power minus 3. It is a scientific notation 1.5 10 raised to power minus 3. Print F1, F2, F3. The output is 10.5, 150.0, 0.0015. Complex literals. X is equal to 3 plus 4j. It is a complex number. Print X, X dot real, X dot imaginary. Output is 3 plus 4j, 3.0 and 4.0. String literals. There are several ways to create strings in Python. Single quotes. str1 is equal to hello in single quotes. When we print str1, the output is hello. Double quotes. str2 assigns word in double quotes. Print str2, output is the word. The output of the single quotes and the double quotes is the same for the print statement. Triple quotes. On str3 is equal to this is a multiple line string in double quotes. Print str3, output this is multi-line string. Unicode strings. str4 assigns u dash by u263a in single quotes. Print str4, the output is a smiley. These are the special symbols which is processed by interpreter as the symbols. Raw strings. str5 is equal to r-c dot \new \folder. Print str5, the output is c \new \folder. Boolean literals. Boolean literals represent truth values. Is underscore true is equal to true. Is underscore false is assigns false. Print is underscore true, comma is underscore false. The output is true, false. Booleans can also used in arithmetic operations. A is equal to true plus 4. B assigns false plus 10. Print AB. The output is 5 and 10. Special literals. Python has a special literal, none, which represents the absence of a value. None underscore value is assigns none. Print none underscore value, the output is none. None is often used to initialize variables that will be assigned values later. Result is equal to none. Some codes that assigns a value to result. Result assigns 42. Print result, the output is 42. Conclusion. Literals are an essential concept in Python, providing a way to assign new data to variables in various forms. Understanding numeric, string, boolean, and special literals will enhance your ability to write efficient Python.